This is a video tutorial dedicated to help you with getting rid of the ransomware called Bhtw. Bhtw is the ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. Well, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this Bhtw ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and then very soon users realize that for some reasons they can no longer access their data. Typically, as I said, after restarting the computers, this ransomware performs its malicious job, and it's not possible to open the files anymore. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Bhtw extension additionally to the file names. And so these are the results of the ransomware's attack. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get this message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with this Bhtw additionally appended extension. The same applies to all other files. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay that ransom. Don't waste the money. We recommend that you remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on this Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, most likely, and then it will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to get your data always protected. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of infections. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium. You can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And also, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.